Well, hello there, puppet people. It's great to see you again. I think I see Pierre. Let's find out. Oh, bonjour.
Hi.
Hello, Em. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I am wonderful, of course, because I am a delightful French paper bag puppet.
You are a delightful French paper bag puppet.
I am. My mouth can be a bit funny sometimes. Oh, there we go. That is better.
Yes.
Don't you like my hair?
You have fabulous hair.
Ah, my mouth gets stuck. Ah! Some days, you know.
Yeah, it happens.
Hey, Em.
Yeah.
What do you get if you cross the Atlantic with the Titanic?
I don't know, what do you get if you cross the Atlantic with the Titanic?
About halfway.
I suppose that's true.
Hey, Em.
Yeah, hey Pierre.
Have you heard about that new restaurant on the moon?
I have not heard about that new restaurant on the moon. Tell me about it.
Ah, it has great food, but no atmosphere.
You're just full of jokes, aren't you?
I am. I bet you would like to make a paper bag puppet yourself, wouldn't
I
you?
imagine I would.
Well, if we had more paper bags, maybe you could.
Yeah.
I go now. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
Well, Pierre is an interesting fellow, isn't he? Why, yes, I most assuredly am an interesting fellow. Well, yes, you are. You are, of course, a paper bag puppet. Yes, I am. I'm a lovely paper bag puppet, too. Yes, you are. Well, we should look at how you got made. And, excellent idea. Paper bag puppets are awfully fun to make. And of course, they're wonderfully easy. All you need is a paper bag. And I bet a lot of us have paper bags laying around the house right now. Well, to decorate your paper bag puppet, you simply fold that side forward, and that creates a mouth. Now, I made my mouth out of construction paper, but you could color your mouth on with marker or pen or crayon. You could color some paper and cut it out and put it on. And once you've added a mouth, well, then it's pretty easy to create eyes. I seem to have two different kinds of eyes. One's made out of construction paper and one is colored on. I drew in eyelashes and a little pink nose. Now, part of the fun of creating a paper bag puppet is adding all of the little odds and ends that really make your puppet come to life and fill it full of personality. In Pierre's case, that meant making some arms and a nice little mustache and a great head of hair. Because let's face it, a great head of hair is very, very important. What kinds of things could you do with your paper bag puppet to make it have its own personality? Are there leftovers from the junk drawer and the recycle bin that could go onto it? I bet there are. There might be some buttons laying around the house in the old button box that would make great eyes. Or even, you see, I gave him some clothes? A nice brooch? I don't know. But you could glue some buttons down here for a shirt and then color in some clothes. Oh, why look, Stormy the cat has come to say hello to us. Everybody say hello to Stormy the cat. Oh, that was very good, Stormy. Well done. Okay, off you go. So you could find some buttons. I bet there are any number of pieces of yarn or tinsel from Christmas or Easter basket grass that could go on for hair. Oh, you could make a really interesting beard for him. In fact, your paper bag puppet could be a person, But your paper bag puppet could also be an animal. You could make a cool paper bag buffalo, or if you're playing, Pathfinder or Dungeons and Dragons like my kids are right now, you might make a whole party. Why, there could be a paper bag barbarian, and a paper bag bard, and a paper bag dwarf, and a paper bag elf, and a paper bag dragon. I think we have an idea for our next D&D campaign. I gotta go get started on this. I'll talk to you later. Thanks.